How to pixelate or blur the image or text using MS Paint. So if you want to pixelate or blur the image or text using MS Paint, then what you need to do is first you just need to simply open up your photos, right click on it, go with open with and open the MS Paint. After opening your paint, now what you need to do is, like for example, if you want to blur this section, then what you need to do is just simply go with the select option and then go with the rectangular section, and here I'll just simply go and select these text. Once you've selected the text, now you need to drag it. The first method is very simple. Go with the sharp points and then just adjust it, make it small, wait for a few seconds, and then enlarge it. Once you do that, as you can see that it has been blurred. Or if this doesn't work, or if it feels hard to try, then you just need to simply go with the resize section. And here, as you can see, you need to remember these pixels, which is the horizontal and the vertical one. In my case, it's 100, 100. So what you need to do is just reduce the pixels. Like I'll just simply go with 10 and 10. Once done, you need to again go with resize, and now you need to resize it to 100 and then go with OK. And as you can see that it has been blurred. That's how you can pixelate or blur the image or text using MS Paint. And if you found this video helpful, hit the subscribe button, and thanks for watching.